Hello everyone, welcome back to Mac Society. Today we will see how to install Java on your Mac operating system without any hassle. And after that, I'll run a simple Java program so we can verify it is installed and running. So let's get started. First, we will check if Java is installed or not. For that, click on the search icon and it will open up the Spotlight search. Once it's open, write terminal and then just hit enter. It will open up the terminal on your Mac machine. So to check if Java is installed or not, we need to write Java --version. If Java is installed, it will give you the version of the Java, else it will tell you this command, no Java runtime present, requesting install. It will recommend you to install it by prompting a prompt box like this. Now you need to click on More Info. It will automatically open up the Google Chrome or Safari, whichever the default browser, with the official Oracle website from where we can find the latest version of the Java to download. Click on this JDK download button that is shown. Now here you can see Java SE Development Kit 15 downloads. This is the latest version at the time of making this video. If you scroll down a little bit, you can find different packages of Java for different operating systems. So we want Mac operating system, so we will choose Mac OS installer, which is about 175.94 MB at the time of making this video. Now click on this download JDK button. After clicking on it, you will be prompted with this license agreement. Just check this checkbox and click on this download button. It will start downloading instantly. And here you can see it starts downloading. Now, let's wait for it to download. Now, once it's downloaded, click on it and it will open up the prompt for you. After that, you will see that this JDK package, just double click on it to open this up and it will open up the JDK installation prompt. Just click on continue after that. Next it will say this much space is needed to install this on your Mac operating system. So this much space should be free to install Java Development Kit on your Mac machine. Next, hit install and it will ask for your password to install the JDK. Just enter your password and click install software. It will still start installing and it will be done in no time. And you will see install succeed. And then once it's succeeded, then just click close. To close the installer, it will prompt you delete the JDK we downloaded just yet. Just click on move to trash. Now we will set up the Java environment variable. To do that, click on the search button again to write terminal on there and hit enter. It will open up the terminal. Now we need to write the simple commands. You will find these commands in the video description below. Copy the first command and paste it on a terminal and then hit enter. And you need to find this .bash_profile. If you're not able to find it, don't worry. Just write touch.bash_profile and it will create the bash_profile for you. I already have the bash_profile, so I'll clear this up. Now copy the second command and paste it on the terminal and then hit enter. It will open up the .bash_profile for you. Now you need to copy the last command from the description and paste it in your bash_profile. And then go to file and save the bash_profile. Once it is saved, close the bash_profile and it's all done. Now we will just check the Java version. To go back again to your terminal and write Java --version. You will be able to see the latest Java version you have installed. Voila! Let's run a simple Java program to check the Java up, installed, and if it is running properly or not. Just go to your desktop by typing cd desktop on your terminal. Now we will create a simple Java program. Now once again click on the search button and then write Visual Studio Code and then hit enter. And if you do not have Visual Studio Code, you can also install it. The link is given in the description below, or you can use any other text editor like Sublime Text or Atom. To create a new file, click on the New File button and then click Save As. Now we will save this file on desktop. Now let's write on some Java code. Once you are done writing the Java code, click on Save. Now let's go to the terminal and run this Java program. First, we'll check all the files on the desktop by typing ls on the terminal. Now here you can see subscribe.java file we just created. To compile this file, write java c space subscribe.java or hit tab to autocomplete the name. It will create a file named subscribe.class. Here you can see it has created the file on the desktop. Now to run this file, write java space subscribe and then hit enter. Here you can see the prompt in the output form. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope this video works for you. If you have any kind of issues, let us know in the comment section below and we would love to help you. If you are also interested in learning Java, I will be making new Java tutorials very soon. You can find the link in the description below. Peace.